It is the Smashbox. Ew. Oh no. Okay, like, this car ain't the cleanest right now, I'm not gonna lie, and this brush just landed on the console thing, but this side didn't touch it, so we're just gonna work with that.
Hey.
Hi guys, so we are off to the thrift store, but I thought I would start this video off by showing you how I do my makeup in the car, because sometimes you just don't have time to like be in your house, or sometimes you just don't want to do your makeup in your room. So I'm not driving right now. I'm still, obviously, because I'm no Jeffree Star, ain't got a Tesla yet. I have like my go-to makeup right here. I've really been like doing a very minimal look, but I still love makeup, and I haven't done a makeup video in a super long time. Okay, we need the AC on in here. And yeah, we're gonna get into this little bag. Maybe I should move you guys closer. Okay, I've got like 10 minutes-ish. Probably gonna try and do this in less than 10 minutes, but these are all the products I have. Everything is very glowy, easily blendable, and just nice for the summer. So we're gonna just dive right in. I already moisturized and did all that good stuff. So if you guys wanna see like a skincare, summer skincare, affordable skincare type of routine, I've put way too many names on that, but if you wanna see that. But I'm gonna start with this Origins primer that I don't really even know if it does anything, but it feels nice and cool on my face. And I think it does minimize my pores and just kind of creates like a smooth base. It almost has like a tint to it as well, so I feel like if you really just didn't want to wear any makeup but like still a little something, this could do the trick. I've not been doing any foundation lately. I've just been using the Instant Age Rewind by Maybelline and kind of dragging this where I need it on my face. The eyes down the middle, kind of around my mouth. Oh, you guys can't see it. And on the Cupid's bow. And then I'm just taking my beauty blender and blending that out. This is like probably a little too light for me right now, but we're gonna bronze up. Next up, for contour, we're gonna take this Jordana cream contouring stick. I'm trying to use as many cream products as possible and just do a little bronzing and a little contouring, nothing too crazy because we are in the car and it's like, I don't wanna like get my Kim Kardashian contour on right now, but this stuff is really blendable, so if you're in a rush, it's kind of like my go-to product. And damn, my face tan is like RIP to that, unfortunately. Now for blush, I'm going to be using this Almay blush stick. It's in the shade Golden Pink, another cream product, super easy to blend, and just gives your face like a really nice, refreshed, healthy, dewy looking Sunday morning glow. And I'm going to use the same Wet n Wild brush. Having a brush like this, like a flat top kabuki, and just a beauty blender is honestly all you really need, and maybe like a powder brush as well. So now I'm gonna go in with a little highlight, cream product again. We're gonna be using this Hollywood Beauty Light Wand by Charlotte Tilbury. It gives a really nice champagne-y, natural, lit from within, I don't know why I said that so weird, type of glow. So I put a little there, a little on my nose, a little up here, up here, up here, up here, and just like all those high points of the face. Kind of makes you look a little sweaty if you're into that. And I like to use my finger to blend this stuff out because I find that if I use my beauty blender, it kind of takes away from the glowiness because it has still that concealer and stuff on it. Just to quickly set under my eyes, because that's the only area that I kind of have like creasing issues, crease problems, but I don't really get greasy or anything like that. So I'm going to be taking this Smashbox powder. This is a great little on-the-go palette, just as a quick side note. It is the Smashbox. Ew. Oh no. Okay, like, this car ain't the cleanest right now, I'm not gonna lie, and this brush just landed on the console thing, but this side didn't touch it. So we're just gonna work with that, and then I'm gonna immediately wash this brush when I get home. Okay, I need to remember the clean side. So this is the Cali Contour Kit, I believe, and it comes with 2 bronzers, 2 highlighters, a blush, and a setting powder. So I could have technically used this just for my face, but I wanted to mix in some cream products. So we're just gonna use the powder right there and just kind of use it to set. do like to go in with a little bit more bronzer just because that's more, the cream contour stick is more to like shape my face, whereas it's summer now, I want to look glowy. My face always looks a little bit lighter than the rest of my body, so, because like, you know, you put a lot of products on your face and then the tan gets exfoliated off. So I'm going to go in with the bronzers in this, kind of mix in like a little bit of the highlight too, so we get a little bit of a shimmery bronzer, and just warm up my face with that because it's summer and we want to be glowy. Once my skin products are all done, I go in with my Sephora Hydrating Coconut Mist, just to like, yeah. For brows, I'm gonna keep it super simple, just brush them out because I recently got them done, so they're looking like not half bad without me filling them in. But I'm just gonna go in with this Benefit Ready Set Brow Clear Brow Gel. And then for mascara, I'm just going to use the Benefit Roller Lash. It's a super natural, just kind of lifted looking mascara. Ooh, and I kind of want to put just like a little bit of highlight on my eyelids. It's probably a really flattering angle right now. Just a touch of mascara. I recommend having like some Q-tips because your lips might get a little crusty from all the foundation, so just excuse me while I... This is my favorite lip liner of all time, the Makeup Forever 2C. I've heard they're discontinuing these and I'm just like not okay with it, so go get your hands on this if you can. And it's just a very naturally corally pink kind of color, so I'm gonna put that on. And then I like to keep it juicy on the lips when I'm not like wearing a ton of makeup because I really feel like it helps your face look a lot more glowy, refreshed, and awake. Refreshed? Yeah, refreshed. That sounds okay. So I'm going to be using this Giorgio Armani. I don't know the exact name of it, but it's kind of like a glossy lipstick and just really makes your lips shine. Alright guys, that is the final makeup. Super easy. It took me like 10 minutes, so, and I was talking to you guys, so definitely could be faster if I was just like here on my own. I am on my own, but like, you know what I mean. So we're going to the thrift store now, and I will see you guys there. We made it. Let me just bring you guys up a little. Oh, wrong way. My face right now. Her. Okay guys, where is this brand? If you guys know the era or anything, the brand's Her. It's my pink jeans that I was wearing. Okay guys, so Rachel's gonna film my outfit. So here is my outfit of the day.